Hey, it's Jim Parr here, and we've got a new MS271 Stihl saw called the Farm Boss. This is brand new. We just got it yesterday. We did a few cuts with it. It's an incredible saw. It blows my other saws away. I'm not going to mention the other brands, but I would highly recommend this saw. And we're going to show you today how to choke this and not flood your saw. So this is a cold saw. We haven't started it today. And so one thing to remember, if you choke a warm saw, you're going to flood your saw. So on this particular device here, this saw, you've got your choke. This is going to be very similar for any Stihl saw, even your older saws. So to get this choke on, you want to push it down, but you can lock it, lock your throttle if it's not going down the first time when you get your new saw and it keeps popping up. It's because of this throttle here. So you just got to make sure you've got, push your throttle in to lock it down. Once you do that once, it's good. But we're going to do a, I'm going to do a half or a full choke on this and get it to burp. And then once we get it to burp, then we'll shut the choke off and we'll start it again. But it may even start up. Remember to lock your guard so that the chain does not move. Remember, this chain is sharp no matter whether it's running or not running. So you want to lock that guard, and I recommend that you put your saw on the ground, step on this foot plate here, and start it on the ground. We've got our choke on. We got a full choke here. And we're going to go ahead and try to start the saw. Now that was a burp right there. We got a little bit of a click. And this is a cold saw, so we haven't started at all today. And now I'm doing a half choke right here. So I've got it one notch up. So now that was actually a full choke to choke off. So you saw how easy that started, and it actually went really well for a cold saw. But this is the Stihl 271. MS271 is an incredible saw. It cuts well. We have a 20-inch bar on here, and that's how to start your saw without flooding it. If you leave the choke on after that first burp, you're going to flood your saw, guaranteed. Leave your comments below. Subscribe to my channel. We do a lot of different things. We have a homestead here in Tennessee, so we're doing a lot of different projects, building a new home here on this 30-acre homestead. And so I'd love to answer your questions. So take care.